So hello everyone, I have here with me Mr. Mahesh Gupta, Head of Engineering at LG Electronics. And he's being in the industry, and from the experience we have a lot of insights to gain from sir. So sir, I'll start with my first question. Today we are here at EFFYCON Mumbai. We are talking about efficiency in industry. Where is that one area you feel that this industry is lacking in efficiency, and how can the industry as a whole overcome that challenge and grow?
Gaurav, thanks for inviting. And one of the very important point which has been noted by Rata is the efficiency. Yes. And the entire theme is based on this. Yes. The theme is EFFYCON.
Yes.
Usually you see that in the industry, the HVAC industry which we are working down, efficiency is very important. See, yeah. One of the huge power consumption product is air conditioner for any premises.
Yes.
You take any segment, commercial, hospitals, residential, AC consumes a lot of power. And that's why government is also a lot of working on it, where they are pushing the manufacturers to produce efficient products. They are scaling this into form of certain star ratings or certain tables where they have given that in terms of efficiency you have to bring that type of product in the market. And it is becoming very challenging for the OEMs also to manufacture or to comply with those standards also. So very importantly, efficiency is like government is supporting, government has put up some bar, OEMs are also manufacturing the product. But once you understand that once this product goes into the market, it is installed in a project way. So the installation is very important. In order to get that same efficiency which a company claims, the installation is very important.
Yes.
If there is any up and down, the efficiency goes up and down.
Yes, of course.
And then the sufferer is the end customer.
Yes.
So that's the huge challenge which we see.
So I'm sure being market leaders as LG, you faced some similar challenges. So how have you overcome this, or where would you say is a starting point for our listeners to sort of start looking at driving efficiency and preventing these issues?
Definitely, see, like as a OEM, there is certain management or strategies, like we have certain departments who look upon. Okay, there is a project teams, there are trainings for this channel partners, the technicians also, to how to handle this product.
Yeah.
This is one of the important things. The more you train, the more the experience comes into picture, the more the confidence comes.
Of course. Oh, very, very, very insightful. So today we are at a place in India where this industry is growing at about 18% CAGR. We are the fastest growing industry in the current market scenario in India. Where do you think is the next big opportunity for companies in this space to grow, and how can one go about focusing on those and starting to make some strides in those areas?
See, nowadays the environmental conditions are changing.
Yes.
The luxury segment has changed, and now AC is a necessity.
Yes.
This is one of the important things which is happening now. Every person, whether it's a small or a big, AC is required by him.
Yeah.
And definitely, like if you see 10 years back when inverter word came into the market,
yeah.
like people were thinking that it is linked to the electricity. Yes. But what has happened that the fixed speed segment getting changed to the inverter technology,
yeah.
The technology changed, and within 10 years we are seeing that from fixed speed to inverters to AI based.
Yeah.
Like you want now the systems to be monitored on your mobiles.
Of course.
Remote monitoring should be there. The system should talk to you.
Yeah.
Like it should say that I am in problem. It should give you alarm. It should give you indications that there is some malfunctioning or I am operating very good, nicely or not. So these things are coming, and we see that in future AI will have a major role in this technology.
Yes. So how has LG gone about trying to adopt some of these?
See, as LG, we are implementing now AI-based features in our product.
Okay.
Like if you see our split AC segment, we have brought power controlling feature, where a customer can decide in a monthly basis how much power my AC should consume.
Okay.
So very easily he can control his power consumption. In bigger segment like commercial AC segment, we have brought these features where the machine talks to the end user. It operates as per his needs.
Wow.
It determines his conditions, like what is the temperature which will be required by this specific person.
Yeah.
And then into the AI mode, it goes on with that specific conditions. it starts talking to the customer that whether certain parts in the systems are getting malfunctioned or they are operating very nicely. It's just very simple, like a pre-health checkup.
Yeah.
You go to doctor, you analyze your body, you do the pre-health checkup, find out any problem is there or not.
Yeah.
So here the machine starts giving you those replies. So that's one of the best thing which is coming in the industry.
Very cool, very cool. So, like being a large OEM, you guys have a big supply chain. You have different stages. You'll have your distributors, you'll have your end engineers and service providers to the consumer. So, what, in your experience, what differentiates from an energy efficient or AI efficient business? Because there are two different things. One is improving your operations, one is improving energy consumption. So there are businesses that have those enabled, not enabled, at different stages of being digitized and AI enabled. So in your experience, what is a differentiating factor, and where is the future with that?
See, very nice question and a very typical question to pull out. See, now AI is booming up.
Yeah.
We can see today's modern era is now digitalized.
Yes.
Okay, everything is on your mobile, on the internet.
Yeah.
So now many manufacturers or the products are getting forced to be embarked in that way that they are digitalized. They have that type of features enabled in them. So this is one of the need which has come up in the industries.
Yeah.
Many people are working still now on it. Many have adapted, many have brought up some features. But still there is much more bigger scope in this.
Yeah.
In coming 3 to 4 years, we'll see that.
Very nice, very nice. I think like you've given us a lot of insight into how LG is working on things, and what are the opportunities with AI, and what's the possibilities. So thanks a lot for being here with us.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thanks very much.
Thanks to the listeners.
Thanks to the
I'm sure you
audience.
guys have got some great insights.
Thank you.
Thank you.